Does your 4 GB RAM PC become slow just a few minutes after turning it on? Programs take forever to open, your browser freezes, and Windows feels like it's constantly thinking. The problem isn't always your RAM. Sometimes it's the unnecessary features quietly using it. Today, I'll show you 5 memory wasters you can safely reduce using built-in Windows settings. No RAM cleaners. No registry edits. Let's make your 4 GB PC feel much smoother. Tip 1. Find memory hogs with Task Manager. Let's start by finding the real problem. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager. Click More Details if needed. Now open the Processes tab. Click the Memory column. Windows now sorts every application from highest RAM usage to lowest. You might see Chrome, Edge, Discord, Steam, or another application using hundreds of megabytes of RAM. If you're not using it, right-click it. Choose End Task. Immediately watch the memory graph. You'll often recover hundreds of megabytes in seconds. The goal isn't to close everything. It's to close what you don't actually need. Quick tip: never end Windows processes unless you know exactly what they do. Stick to applications you recognize. Tip 2. Disable widgets. Many people never use Windows Widgets, yet they constantly update news, weather, sports, and other information in the background. Here's how to turn them off. Right-click the taskbar. Choose Taskbar Settings. Find Widgets. Turn the switch off. That's it. Windows immediately stops loading widget content in the background. One less feature means one less thing competing for your RAM. Tip 3. Stop Microsoft Edge running in the background even after closing Microsoft Edge. Parts of it may continue running. Open Microsoft Edge. Click the 3 dots. Choose Settings. Open System and Performance. Turn off Continue running background extensions and apps when Microsoft Edge is closed. If you don't need Edge running all day, this frees memory whenever you close the browser. It's a small change, but on a 4 GB PC, small improvements add up. Quick reminder: you can still use Edge normally. It simply stops staying active after you close it. Tip 4. Pause OneDrive. Look near the clock. Do you see the OneDrive cloud icon? If you aren't actively syncing files, there's no reason for it to keep working. Click the OneDrive icon. Select the gear icon. Choose Pause Syncing, then choose 2 hours, 8 hours, or 24 hours. If you never use OneDrive, open Startup Apps inside Task Manager. Disable OneDrive from starting with Windows. You can always launch it manually later. Tip 5. Restart Explorer. Instead of restarting your whole PC, sometimes Windows itself starts feeling slow, but you don't want to reboot your computer. Here's a trick. Open Task Manager. Find Windows Explorer. Right-click it. Choose Restart. Your taskbar disappears for a second, then comes back. This refreshes File Explorer, the Start menu, the taskbar, and often fixes small slowdowns without restarting your entire PC. It's one of the fastest troubleshooting tricks built into Windows. Bonus tip: restart every few days. Many people only put their PC to sleep, week after week. Instead, restart it every few days. A restart clears temporary memory, ends stuck background processes, and gives Windows a fresh start. It's one of the easiest ways to improve performance. Final thoughts: if your PC only has 4 GB of RAM, every megabyte counts. Find memory-hungry apps. Turn off widgets if you never use them. Stop Edge from running in the background. Pause OneDrive when you don't need it. Restart Windows Explorer to fix slowdowns, and reboot your PC regularly. These aren't miracle tweaks, but together they can make a noticeable difference on low-end Windows 11 PCs. If this guide helped you, give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Simplifix Tech for more practical Windows optimization videos designed specifically for low-end PCs. And let me know in the comments, what's the biggest memory hog on your PC right now?